Hey, this is Antron Brown. I'm here at the booth that has all the technology happening right now. We're here at the Centroid Racing Performance booth, and I'm standing right in front of the A560. And as you can see behind me, they are actually machining a LS3 block. And they're not just machining, they're doing the boring and everything all in one op in this machine. That's what makes Centroid so special. They give you what you need and how you want it, and they make the job so efficiently. You know what it means? With less fixturing taken on and off, you get the job and you get the tolerances a lot more closer, and the less thing that you can fixture up. What I mean by fixture, I mean taking off one machine and put on another one to do the job. What that means is that the job is more precise the less times you take it on and off to actually do the machining. What I'm doing right here is the Centroid Performance Racing Simulator. What it's doing is actually showing you the digitizing program. I call it autonomous digitizing. What that means is that this digitizing is a smart digitizer. As it going down, as you see the profile on it, when it starts up at the top and it keeps on going down and down and down, that digitizer is actually learning the shape of the port so you don't crash. You actually don't crash the probe that's going in it. And then once it gets down to the bottom where it can't go no more, it actually undoes itself to take itself out, to rotate the head to find the actually intake or the exhaust port to actually start on the other side to match it up. It's the only one like it out there, and what we call it smart digitizing. Centroid offers it. The competition is trying to catch up, trying to keep up. And we actually use this every day at Fab that you see on my hat. That's another division of AB Motorsports, that we actually do our own cylinder head porting and work ourselves, and we work with this stuff each and every day. But the other thing, I call this the big boy. This is the A560XL with the rotating head. It doesn't have a fixed head, and we're actually porting the LS3 head right now, and the machine's going at it. And what makes it so special in this deal here is that they offer so many different versatile heads, horsepower, and it's got a 40 tool changer in all these machines, which gives you enough tools to make the job happen, to make it efficient, and to get the job done quick and fast. But with every Centroid machine, they send it with the drum of Hanksifers 5080 coolant, and this coolant is very versatile, from aluminum to tie to stainless to steel. Anything that you're actually machining, that coolant will do the job. And that's just not just do the job, but get the job done right, fast, efficient, saves tool life. But what I love about this machine here is that when you versatile table, that head actually rotates over and actually will go a little bit past 9 degrees to get every angle that you need done with that oscillating table. It makes the port work look impeccable. I love it. And not only that, as I bring you around here, as we're strolling around, you can see the different things from all the different people they do things with Magnum Racing. You can see the heads that they do here. Centroid actually is a turnkey operation. When you get the machine, it is going to be set up to get whatever job you want done. So whether it's porting the head, to making a head from scratch, to doing block work, machining, they're going to actually deliver the machine, show your operator, and give them all the proper training to make it happen. So as you look here, you can see some of the tool holders and the tools that Centroid have, from actually decking blocks to actually hold machines. And all these deals, what's so cool about these are, we got some tool holders that are actually tightened up, and we also got other holders that are actually swedged in there with heat, where you actually got to put the heat on them to expand them out, where it's actually a heat fit. So we do a lot of things at Centroid, and see some of the other people that we do with Kill Devil Diesel, to All Pro cylinder heads, and then to one of my other good friends that's in the other business, with VAC, with Tony Slalom. I mean, they do a lot of great work where you can actually see the block right now. It changed the tool on the other side of this A60, where they're actually decking the block right now. You know, one thing a lot of people understand what's so crucial about when you're decking a block is that that's critical to keep everything square, where you don't want no run out there. You don't want one angle to one angle to have it, because that's all critical when they're actually putting the manifold down. So when you keep it in this machine, we're able to keep it square, where we're actually able to keep that thing dead nuts flat, and that's very crucial, very important to the jobs you do. So that's one thing that they specialize in Centroid, is actually taking your application and bringing it to life. And as I walk before I finish, I want to show you one more cool thing, one more cool element that they do at Centroid. Centroid makes all your cylinder head plates to fit the cylinder head that you're doing. From small block Chevy to big block Chevy to motorcycle cylinder heads to BMW to anything that you could think of, the plate's made for you. And this one right here is actually one done for the Elabot group, for Pat Musi. This is for Jamie Wagner. But the cool part, it's got Lizzie Musi's signature on it, and they customize them to make them look cool to fit. But the thing about it is, anything that you want, anything that you need, custom in performance, and you want to change your port design once you digitize, you can take every ring and every step in that program, stretch it, extrude it, make it whatever way you want to actually make and do R&D like you've never seen before. So stay tuned, Centroid Performance. We got a lot of things coming, a lot of things happening, and then you know what? You want to be at the top of the edge of the sport? It starts with Centroid. Port, flow, it's all that. If you want power, you better get a Centroid.